So from what I think, the iPhone XS is probably the most forgotten iPhone of all time. But it looks like it might be following the same path as the iPhone 6s, because the iPhone 6s software support lasted up to 7 years, and now that Apple's supporting the iPhone XS for another year, I was pretty surprised about it, because it's the 6th year the iPhone XS is getting the software support. So let's talk about the iPhone XS and see if it's still worth buying in mid-2024. Now, design-wise, so this iPhone is pretty good. In fact, great, because you're getting an iPhone X design, but with slight improvements on the inside. And I must say that I was using this for like 3 years after my father used it for the first 2 years of its life. And after it being in and out of a case for the past 5 years, it held up really well. And getting back to the design itself, it's pretty modern even compared to a 2-year-old iPhone 13 mini. So if you want a great iPhone for cheap, the iPhone XS is something to consider because it has a lightning connector with fast charging, curved sides, standard glass on the back, which is good and not slippery, which means you have wireless charging. So yeah, even though this iPhone is getting close to 6 years old, it's still a pretty good phone in a lot of ways. For example, performance. The performance of this iPhone is really good, I must say, because you're getting an iPhone with an A12 Bionic chip, which is the same exact chip as an iPad 8th generation and a iPad Air 3, which are the devices that I see people using to this day. And when using this iPhone with iOS 18 Beta 3, there wasn't any lag. Okay, fine, there are some lag, but it's not that noticeable compared with an iPhone 6s with iOS 15, and the Geekbench scores are fine as well. So I would rate the performance of this iPhone a 7 out of 10. So what about the battery life? Well, if you have a new battery, you'll get through the day if you're a light user. Here's an example. With this clip, you can see that I have gotten through the day. Without heavy usage, I would get 5+ hours before 8 p.m. Even though it's not enough by today's standards, it's still pretty good for me on a daily. So what is the final verdict of the iPhone XS in mid-2024? Well, it's an okay option for people who don't have all the money in the world. But if you want to spend your money on something else, the iPhone 11 is available. So yeah, even though the iPhone XS is actually a forgotten phone, it is still a great phone for most people. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. And I'll try to make videos like this more often. And please consider helping out the channel by subscribing. You'll love to help with the channel. So thank you, and have a great day.